Hi there, this is Harry and welcome back to English in a Minute. I have a phrase for you, or an expression for you today actually, and it's to take somebody or someone for a ride, okay? It has a very literal meaning. So if I buy a new car or I change my car and my wife comes and says, "Oh, that's really nice, that looks good," I said, "Yeah, hop in and I'll take you for a ride," meaning I'll take you for a drive somewhere to see what you think of the car, how it feels, how the seats feel, how it feels when it gets up to a high speed. So that's the literal meaning of to take somebody for a ride. But in its metaphorical meaning, to take somebody for a ride means to cheat them in some way, okay? Somebody who doesn't pay for something or tries to get out of paying for something. "Oh, he's just trying to take me for a ride. He wants to get away without paying," okay? So literal meaning, to take somebody in your new car, and the metaphorical meaning, to try and cheat somebody out of something. Okay, join me again soon.